In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Slack on mobile using a QR code. This quick method lets you skip typing credentials on a small screen and gets you into your workspace fast and securely. Before we begin, make sure Slack is open on your computer and the Slack app is installed on your phone, with both devices connected to the internet. Start on your desktop. Look to the top left of Slack where your workspace name appears. Click it to open the menu, then choose Sign In on mobile. Slack will immediately generate a QR code on your screen. Think of this as a one-time secure key that your phone can read. Keep this code visible and don't move away from the screen just yet. If you don't see the option right away, give Slack a second to load that menu and ensure you're in the correct workspace. Some organizations customize menus, but the option is typically right there under your workspace name. If the code times out, no problem. Just select the option again to generate a fresh one. Now switch to your phone. Open the Slack app and tap Sign In. On the next screen, choose Scan QR Code. The app may ask for camera permission. Allow it so Slack can read the code. Point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your computer. Hold the phone steady, center the code in the frame, and give it a moment to focus. If it's having trouble scanning, try adjusting the distance by moving your phone slightly closer or farther away. Make sure your computer screen brightness is high enough and that there isn't glare on the code. You don't need to take a photo, just keep the camera pointed at the code until Slack recognizes it. Once the code is scanned, Slack will log you in automatically on your phone to that specific workspace. That's it, no typing, no switching between apps. If you use multiple workspaces, you can repeat this same process for each one from the desktop where those workspaces are open. A few quick tips to keep everything smooth and secure. Only scan codes you generate yourself on your desktop, and don't share screenshots of your QR code. These codes are designed to be short-lived and single-use, which helps protect your account. If scanning fails, refresh the code on your desktop and try again, confirm your camera has permission in your phone settings, and check your internet connection on both devices. And that's the entire process. Generate the QR code on your desktop, scan it from the Slack app on your phone, and you're in.